Hello. I hope you are all doing amazingly well on this gorgeous wintry, for us it's Tuesday evening, so wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having an amazing day. Hello Melissa, welcome. Hey gorgeous Sal. I just wanted to, so I'm doing a 30-day manifesting blitz and today's day 2. So today I want to talk about, hey gorgeous Nikki, I wanted to talk about why you can't have what you want. Now, okay, people are thinking, why can't I have what I want? You know, I want this or I want that, etc. Now, the principles, hi Holly, the principles of the law of attraction of manifesting. Hi gorgeous Susan, welcome to the call. So the principles of manifesting are, it's vibrational. The world, the external world is a vibrational match. Your experience is a vibrational match to what you think, you believe, and you vibrate, your energy-wise. Now, people say, you know, I want to manifest this, or I want to manifest a new house, I want to manifest a new car, I want to manifest a new job, or I want more money, or I want the relationship, or I want health, or whatever it is. And people come from that perspective of I want. So why can't you have what you want? Because the universe vibrates on the energy level of what you resonate with. When you're resonating from the perspective of want, you're resonating from a perspective of lack, the fact that it is not in your environment, it is not in your space. When you want something, you're reflecting that it isn't there. So how does this work? Okay, so when you want something, you're telling the universe, you're telling life that you don't have it. So how do you then shift that? How do we shift the wanting to the having? So what we need to do is we need to step into the feeling or the energy of already having it. Okay, so for example, this is what I used to do. I used to play this game a long time ago. Sometimes I still do it now. But I used to walk past, because I love diamonds, I love jewelry, that kind of nice glittery stuff. I love anything that glitters. And I would walk past jewelry shops and I would look through the window, just window shopping. Actually, it wasn't window shopping, it was energy shopping. So I would walk past, Nikki, I would walk past the jewelry shop and I would look at all of the gorgeous rings, the expensive rings, and I would say, I can afford that, I can afford that, I can afford that. So I was stepping into the energy of having that thing already or being able to afford it. If I was to step into that energy or look at the beautiful rings that I liked or admired and said, I can't afford that, or I want that, or I want that, or I can't afford that, that's the energy that you're vibrating. So this is the downfall of what people don't understand, how the universe responds to energy and vibration, and your thoughts and your beliefs, they sink down into your heart space and they become your reality. So when you're in want, you're saying that you're reflecting the absence of that thing. So the very thing that you really want, that you're saying when you're stepping into the energy of I want this, I want this, I want this, you're actually pushing it away. The universe says, you want this? Great, I will give you exactly that. I will give you the wanting of that thing so that you can keep wanting the money, you can keep wanting the house, wanting the relationship, or wanting the success, whatever it is. So think about that. The next time you have a desire, if you're saying to the universe or to God or to energy, to whoever, whatever your belief system is, if you're saying, I want this, I really want this, if you're in that lack mentality, that lack state of wanting, you'll attract more of that. So have a bit of a think about this. This is all consciousness. Everything is consciousness. Everything is energy. And your consciousness, hi Lynette, your consciousness is what you're drawing back to your reality, your consciousness of something. So when you're in want, it means you're pushing it away. How about instead shifting it to I already have, or stepping into the energy of how it would feel like to have that very thing. So if it's, for example, more money, how would it feel like to have more money? What would you do with more money? If $1 million dropped into your lap, What would you do with that today? Then play this mental game. Play this mental game of spend that money. Imagine spending an unlimited amount of money every single day. What would you do? So then how would you resonate internally, energetically, if you already had that thing? So most people are in the energy of lack, like I don't have that thing, and the internal energy and vibration and strong desire is that I don't have that thing. It's lacking in my life. So shift that by stepping into the reality as though you already have it. What would you do? How would it feel? So instead of shift the I want to I have or I am, and resonate in that energy, and then you act from that space. You call in those things from that space rather than sitting in the feeling of I want. Okay, so that's my call. That's my message today. I'm about to head out to dinner, celebrating my late mum's birthday, which was yesterday. So it's been 5 years since we lost our mum. So it was her birthday yesterday, and we're going out tonight in her memory. So don't be in want, be in have. I am, I have, and resonate in that energy and see what will shift for you. So if you've got any questions, comment below. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Also, if you wanted to jump on a free call, I do free 30-minute manifesting mastery calls where I can help you unblock what's holding you back. I actually forgot to mention what I do. If you don't know who I am, my name is Anna, and I help entrepreneurial women let go of the limiting beliefs that are holding them back from manifesting what they truly desire. So if you want to jump on a call, comment interested below and I'll get in touch with you, and maybe let me see how I can help you discover what's holding you back. So I will see you again tomorrow. Have an amazing evening or a wonderful day wherever you are. Some parts of the world are waking up, other parts are going to sleep, and other parts are having lunch. That's what I love about technology. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. Hi Cindy, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, we're all connected. And that's how the universe operates, and that's how life is. We're all connected. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have an amazing night. If you've got any questions, comment below, and maybe I can do a Facebook Live to help you with where you're stuck in manifesting the life of your dreams. I'll talk to you again soon. Have a great night. Bye for now.